I'm going to show you how I created this purple lippy with our new exclusive striking splash metallic lipstick. Hi everybody, I'm Jen Franya, and I'm going to show you these products. They're all Younique, and I'm going to show you this lip. Let me get a little water. See if I can get, you know what? Ta-da! I will take my cleansing stick. It comes in the Kudos this month. Oh, I forgot to do something. You're supposed to wipe it around. Hi, Danielle. Get that all off. And, okay, so this came in the Kudos. Cleansing stick takes off really good makeup. An Epic mascara comes in the Kudos, and this is the purple one, but today I have black on. Okay. And then you get a pencil, any precision pencil. Now they're normally this long, but I'm going to use Purposeful. This is one of the choices you can pick. And you can get any splash liquid lipstick, but I'm going to use the exclusive striking. Alright, this is for our anniversary, our sixth anniversary. I hate my lisp. These exclusive colors, but you can pick whatever you want. Alright, so this is a Purposeful. This is a more of a muted purple, I believe. This is actually an eyeliner. You guys, I forgot. It's an eyeliner, but I use it on my lips all the time. Alright, so this is what I did. Almost dropped that again. Let's sharpen it real quick. It's getting lower and lower. So this is Purposeful. It kind of has a sheen already to it, but now we're going to add striking. Ready? It's the new lippy that you can get in this Kudos. And this is on sale. These colors are exclusive. These colors are exclusive just for this month. Alright guys, so this is a beautiful purple lippy with a little metallic sheen, Purposeful and striking. And then you can pick, you also get an Epic and a cleansing stick. And it's in our November Kudos. If you're interested, comment Kudos below and I will message you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.